Welcome to the Canton Fair, the largest trade fair in China. Shengsen Metal is a manufacturer of galvanized wire and all kinds of wire mesh products, and we're excited to be here to showcase our products and meet with customers from all over the world and help with your requirements. We offer a wide range of products to meet the needs of our customers. Shengsen Metal products are used in a variety of industries, including construction, agriculture, and manufacturing. You can find great wire solution and competitive deals with us at the Canton Fair. Shengsen are also very committed to providing our customers with the best possible service. We have a team of experienced and knowledgeable specialists who can help you choose the right products for your needs. We also offer a variety of value-added services, such as custom manufacturing and packaging with your label. If you're looking for high-quality galvanized wire and wire mesh products partner in China, please visit our website or contact us today. We'd be happy to discuss your needs and help you find the best solution for your project.